What if switching to a bidet could improve your hygiene, save you money, and help the environment? In this review, I'll break down the costs, health benefits, environmental impact, and comfort level of bidet toilets to help you decide if they're really worth the investment. The cost of bidet toilets. Bidet attachments, which you can add to your existing toilet, usually cost between $30 and $100. These basic models provide great functionality at a budget-friendly price. If you're looking for more features like heated seats, adjustable water pressure, and air dryers, you're looking at mid-range options between $100 and $600. For a truly luxurious experience, all-in-one bidet toilets that come with advanced features can run anywhere from $1,000 to over $5,000. When it comes to installation, basic models are generally DIY-friendly, so no plumber required. Advanced systems, however, may need plumbing or electrical work, which can cost an extra $100 to $500. But here's the important part. Even with the initial investment, bidets save you money in the long run. On average, U.S. households use about 141 rolls of toilet paper each year, which costs over $100. By switching to a bidet, you could save $100 to $300 annually on toilet paper alone. Over time, that's a lot of cash back in your pocket. Environmental benefits. Every year, billions of trees are cut down for paper production, and it takes about 37 gallons of water to produce a single roll of toilet paper. Now, consider this. A single use of a bidet typically consumes less than 1 liter of water. So every time you use a bidet instead of toilet paper, you're conserving water and reducing deforestation. Over the course of a year, a typical U.S. household could save up to 1,000 rolls of toilet paper by switching to a bidet, which leads to drastically less landfill waste. If you care about sustainability, this alone makes a bidet a solid investment. Hygiene and health benefits. When it comes to hygiene, bidets really outshine toilet paper. Water is far more effective at cleaning than paper, helping reduce bacteria and residue. Think about it. You wash your hands with water to stay clean, so why not apply the same logic to your personal hygiene? Bidets are also gentler on the skin, making them a great option for people with sensitive skin or conditions like hemorrhoids, IBS, or those recovering postpartum. They reduce irritation and discomfort, providing a thorough cleanse without the friction that toilet paper can cause. Plus, by minimizing direct contact with waste, bidets lower the risk of transferring harmful bacteria, which can help reduce the chances of urinary and gastrointestinal infections. Convenience and comfort. One of the best features of bidet toilets is their comfort. Many models come with adjustable water pressure, temperature, and spray direction, allowing you to customize your experience. Higher-end models even offer heated seats, air dryers, and deodorizing systems, turning your bathroom into a spa-like retreat. Bidet attachments are simple to install, especially the basic models that don't require professional help. Even more advanced systems require minimal maintenance once installed. Most bidets feature self-cleaning nozzles, so you don't need to worry about frequent upkeep. So are bidet toilets worth it? Absolutely. When you consider the long-term savings on toilet paper, the positive environmental impact, the improved hygiene, and the comfort they provide, bidets offer excellent value for the investment. Yes, the initial cost might seem high, but the savings and benefits over time make it more than worthwhile.